So this is our Raspberry Pi with SIM 7600 G Shield, and as you can see, it is right now it is connected with the Wi-Fi. So I am turning off the Wi-Fi, and turning on this module. As you can see, now it's on, and within 5 to 10 seconds it will connect to the network. So over here I'm going to open the terminal because so as you can see, it is connected to the network. Now I am connecting it with the internet. Setting up the whole network. So now it is connected with the internet. As you can see, if I reload this page, I am connected. So now what we have to do, we just need to connect it, transmit the data of ApexUAV, which is already connected to the Pi on USB 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a script which will connect and send data to the router on port 6000. So now as I click enter, as you can see, it is sending the data of ApexUAV to our laptop. Now what we are going to do, we just need to open the mission planner. So where it is, mission planner. It's on, and for now we have to connect it with the UDP port. I will hit connect and will enter the port as 6000, and I will click OK. Now as you can see, it is connected with the ApexUAV, which is totally on a different network. Because Raspberry Pi is working with mobile network. As you can see, I have a SIM inserted in here, and now we can control our ApexUAV from anywhere in the world, as long as it is connected with the network. So that's all. Thank you.